Hey everyone, my name is Leon. Welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if that is what you're interested in, then I recommend you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you how to speed up your clips in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am on Premiere Pro right now, and obviously, as per usual, drag the clip you want to use onto the timeline. And then what I want to do is essentially just find the part where I essentially somewhat talk fast, cut that part out, ripple delete, just cut this part down, yeah, there we bang, click that, done. Now, what you want to do is, yeah, it should be. So what you want to do next is essentially go to speed/duration, and you can either use this, well, you can drag it up, or you can use this, right? So you got two options, right? So drag the speed up or to the right, and essentially you'll notice is the numbers go up and up and up and up and up and up and fucking up. So actually I think that's a bit too fucking fast. 110% should do it. Yeah. Perfect. Now, let's just watch how fast this goes. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if that is what you're interested kind of sound like Ben Shapiro a little bit. Interested in, then I suggest you subscribe with the bell on. Which is what you should do, by the way. Yeah, so that's essentially it. And actually, if you want to, what you can do is as well, just make it a little bit smoother, put the time interpolation to optical flow. Now watch how smooth it goes. I make content every single day based around video production. I guess it doesn't make a difference with videos with clips like these, but you know, it's still there, I guess. So yeah, that's essentially it. And that is basically how you speed up clips in Premiere Pro. If you found this video valuable at all, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much further. And leave any questions or feedback you have down in the comment section below, or message me via Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.